AI is rapidly evolving and has become a powerful tool for businesses with its unprecedented capabilities in data processing, automation, and predictive analytics, fundamentally changing how we work and compete. But can it truly replace human capabilities? Even the most advanced AI can encounter challenges, and this is where human expertise becomes indispensable. Despite its remarkable capabilities, AI relies heavily on human oversight in several key areas. Accurate and clean data is essential to ensure AI systems produce reliable results. Protecting sensitive information helps companies prevent security breaches and defend against cyber threats. Ethical oversight is crucial for eliminating biases and ensuring fairness so that AI systems operate justly. Additionally, transparency and explainability are vital, as understanding AI decisions fosters trust and accountability, requiring humans to interpret and explain AI behavior. Here, human expertise guides and refines AI, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. At Aquilon, we believe in the power of collaboration between AI and humans to create a better, more efficient future, driving innovation and success across industries. Aquilon's innovative solutions like DocMate AI and DRI Copilot exemplify this powerful collaboration, delivering tangible results and transforming industries. To get started on your journey, reach out to us at aquilon.com or email us at info@aquilon.com to schedule a virtual meeting with one of our AI experts today.